In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your website using Hostinger's hPanel. This process can help improve your website's accessibility for users who prefer different languages, which can lead to a wider audience reach and potentially more engagement. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that provides easy access to all your website management tools and options. Now, head over to the Websites section. Here, you'll find a list of websites associated with your Hostinger account. Locate the site you want to edit, and then click on the Edit Website button. This action will open the Hostinger Website Builder, a user-friendly interface that makes website customization straightforward and rewarding. Once the builder is open, turn your attention to the left sidebar. You'll notice a variety of icons and options, but for our task today, you'll want to click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where you'll manage different website properties, including customizing language settings. In the Settings menu that appears, you'll see a variety of options. We're focusing on SEO, so select this option from the list. Now, you might wonder why SEO is the section for language settings. Well, choosing the right language can significantly impact your search engine optimization, allowing search engines to better understand and index your content, thus reaching the right demographics. In the SEO section, you'll find something labeled Website Overview. Click on this option, and it will take you to a new page that offers a snapshot of various configurable items for your site, focused broadly on how your site is perceived by search engines. Within this overview, look for the Website Language field. This is where you'll specify the default language for your website. Click on the Language drop-down menu, which provides a list of available languages. Select your desired language from this list to ensure your content speaks directly to your intended audience in their native or preferred tongue. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find a Save button nearby, so make sure to click it to confirm your choice. By saving your updates, you ensure the changes are registered within your website builder. Now, to make these changes live for all to see, you need to publish or update your website. Look for the Publish Update Website button, typically found somewhere on the top or bottom of the interface, depending on updates to the platform. Click it, and your language settings will be applied to your site on the web. And there you have it, a thoughtfully set language update on your website, ready to engage a global audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your website benefits